Hey guys, my name is Khaled and welcome to the unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 5. So before we have a look at the Smart Band, let's quickly have a look around the box. So on one side we've got multi-mode sport tracking, magnetic charging, all-day sleep tracking and 14-day battery life, which is very important because I don't want to be charging the band every single day. On the back we have the model number and compatible Android devices. On the right, 1.1-inch colorful screen, heart rate and stress monitoring. So if we have a look at the front, we can see the band, the Big 5 and Mi Smart Band 5. Okay, so now we'll actually get into the unboxing process. So there is a bit of tape at the bottom, so you just cut it open and then reveal the packaging. Very nice, clean looking and quite eco-friendly. So the first thing we get is a magnetic connector along with USB Type A on one side. Then we get the actual band itself, but we'll look at that in a moment. And then we get this massive chunky boy of a booklet. Now, a lot of reading to do. I guess we're in lockdown, so you can spend as much time as you want. I mean, pick up even a few different languages whilst you're at it. So let's quickly take the Mi Band 5 out of the packaging, and I do really like the two-tone finish. So we got a glossy black for the face of the watch, and the rubber band itself is matte black. Very nice, extremely comfortable to wear. So I've had it on for roughly a day now, and it's really comfortable. After a couple of hours you don't even feel like it's on your wrist. It has a lot of adjustability options, so if you're a thick boy like me, you can have it set to the widest setting. On the back we also have the heart rate monitor along with the Mi branding, and the good thing about this is if you don't like the black color option, you can take it off, buy different bands and then have it matching to your personality. In terms of charging, it's very easy. So you have the magnetic connector, line it up on the back of your Mi Band, and then it will show you a charging symbol. Once it's fully charged, it will vibrate and show you it's fully charged. So the setup process is pretty easy. Just download Mi Fit from the Play Store and you go through registration process, select band, and then you start the syncing up process with the Mi Band 5. So you have to allow a lot of things on Android and then start searching for the device. On your Mi Band 5 it will show would you like to pair with phone, and you have a massive tick. So you select that, it will go through the process. Quite a bit of updating is needed. I think it took me around 3 to 4 minutes before the band was totally ready, and once it's synced with the phone it will show you a charge percentage. Once you have it connected to the charger it will show charging, but if you do take it off, depending on how long you left it on charge for, it will show you the charge percentage. So now I have 69%. So once the band is fully synced up with the phone, you'll unlock a host of features. So you can do stuff like unlock screen, you can have notification for incoming call, notification for SMS messaging, and personally I just think it's such a fantastic bit of kit because I paid just under £30 in the UK and it does everything I need. It records my heartbeat if I want to go for a jog or walk or different exercises, different activity. It has all of that information, and the quality of the actual band itself is very good, and the screen quality is absolutely superb. Very responsive to the touch as well, so you can swipe between different screens. It will show you do not disturb, alarm, you've got music as well. So for example, if you're running about, you've got it connected to your phone and then you're going to switch a track but you don't want to go on your phone and switch between different tracks, you can do that. It also has volume access. If you go into workout, you've got outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, and a lot of other features such as checking your notification, checking the weather if you want to go out for a run, and also checking the stats so you can see if you've improved from the previous day. And I know I've probably mentioned this so many times, but I've used a Fitbit a long time ago and I thought I'd buy the Xiaomi Mi Band 5, but I am very impressed with it. I think the biggest factor, as I previously mentioned as well, is the sub £30 price mark. It's just very good and it does everything out of the box, and the battery life so far is quite good because I'm sitting on 92% now and I've used it for around 26 hours or so. So fantastic battery life, and the band just fits on my wrist very nicely, extremely comfortable. As I previously mentioned, after a couple of hours it feels like I've got nothing on. Initially I was a bit scared because I have extremely hairy arms, so I thought the heartbeat sensor would not pick up the beats properly, but I haven't had any issues with that. It's working absolutely fine, and yeah, I'm very happy with it. You probably know that I'm quite happy with the device. But anyways guys, that has been a quick unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi Band 5. Now I want to use it for around another week or two before a full review is out. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you did enjoy the video, then please leave a like, and if you want more tech content, then do hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification. As always, stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.